Making the most of the last 10 days of Ramadan. Ramadan is finally coming to an end, and we are in the last 10 days of Ramadan, which are full of blessings and a time when your good deeds can bring an extra reward. Here are some tips to help you make the most of this special and holy time. Tip number 1, strategize and plan for each of the 10 days. Not just the odd nights. Make as much time as possible for reading Quran and Dhikr. My name is Hamid Chibwe, and if this is your first time on this channel, consider clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep you updated of all our future videos. Tip number 2. Find out about the importance of the last 10 days and Laylatul Qadr, the night of power, so you can appreciate the value and power of this time. Seek the night of power on all the odd nights. How these nights are important, Allah is saying in the Quran 97 verse 1, "Indeed it is we who sent this Quran down on the night of glory." And what will make you realize what the night of glory is? The night of glory is better than 1,000 months. The angels and the spirit Gabriel descend therein by permission of their Lord for every matter. It is all peace until the break of dawn. Tip number 3. Prepare a list of du'as to recite, and your du'as for yourself and your family, and don't forget the entire Muslim Ummah. Sit and ask Allah Azza Jalla for an open heart, believing Allah is listening only to you at that moment. I've made a collection of 75 du'as from the Quran, and you can download them through the link in the description below. Tip number 4. Eat well and rest during the day. If you are staying up at night, avoid any foods you know will make you lazy and tired. Tip number 5. Avoid sitting on your bed. Pick a comfortable spot in your home and move all distractions away from yourself. Tip number 6. If you find yourself getting sleepy, take time to walk or stretch for a few minutes, drink some water, and change the act of worship for a little variety. The last tip, which is number 7, be patient and consistent with yourself. Try and do better each consecutive night. Every act of worship carries weight, so do what brings you peace and brings you closer to Allah. We pray these last 10 days to bring you peace, happiness, and may Allah accept all your ibadah and efforts. See you in the next video. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please do so that you will get notified of all our future videos, and don't forget to click the notification bell.